In your health headlines this morning, growing concerns about measles. Health Secretary Robert Kennedy now striking a different tone on the vaccine. This as Texas reports the death of another child. ABC's Andrew Dimbert has the latest.
This morning, Health Secretary Robert Kennedy Jr. now advocating for the measles vaccine in his most direct statement yet, while visiting the epicenter of the ongoing measles outbreak. Kennedy in Texas this weekend attended the funeral of 8-year-old Daisy Hildebrand, an unvaccinated child who died from complications of the measles. Daisy is the second unvaccinated child in Texas to die in the outbreak.
It is very hard to see these kids treating them. You see them struggling to breathe, they don't want to eat or drink, they're dehydrated, they have high fever, they're miserable.
The U.S. has now seen more than 600 confirmed measles cases across 21 states this year. That's double the number of cases seen during all of last year and growing quickly. Now, Kennedy, who's been highly skeptical of the measles vaccine as recently as last month, spreading information without scientific backing.
It causes all the illnesses that measles itself causes.
Now encouraging Americans to get the jab, releasing a statement saying the most effective way to prevent the spread of measles is the MMR vaccine. Kennedy previously gave mixed messages about the vaccine, suggesting it was a good way to stop the spread, while also saying it was a personal choice to get it, instead of talking about how a vaccinated person can help protect a person who is unable to be immunized, like a newborn. He also pushed vitamin A as an effective prevention and treatment. Though it can be beneficial as a treatment for some under medical supervision, medical experts say vitamin A should not be seen as a replacement for the vaccine. And children in Texas have had to be treated for vitamin A toxicity and liver damage. Kennedy yesterday announced efforts to support Texas health officials and to learn how our HHS agencies can better partner with them to control the measles outbreak. It comes just days after 10,000 workers at Health and Human Services were laid off, and at least 50 vaccine clinics in Texas were canceled due to budget cuts. Andrew Dimbert, ABC News, New York.
Kennedy says thousands of workers were laid off by mistake and says HHS is in the process of reinstating some of them.